Hi guys, it's Mindy and I'm here to do a trial video. I've got Trix Trolls, and I heard that an elf did this on my aunt's channel, so you might want to go check that out. I got Hershey's Kiss cereal. I got Elf on a Shelf, a Christmas tradition sugar cookie cereal. And I got Elf on a Shelf, a Christmas tradition, vanilla candy cane cookie with marshmallow cereal. So there's the cereals. And then I have Harboni candy cane gummies to try. And there's 3 flavors. There's cherry, sugar plum, and candy cane. So there's those to try. I got gingerbread Oreo cookies to try. I got, can't see the other stuff in here. I've got M&M sugar cookie to try. And I got sugar cookie kisses. Hershey's Kisses sugar cookie flavored. So, without further ado, let's start with the cereal. I have 4 glasses here, so I can put each of them in a different glass. And I have a cup of milk here, which you probably won't be able to tell on camera, because milk is white, and the inside of my cups are white. So we're going to start with Trix is for kids is what they say, but I'm not a kid, and I'm still loving Trix. But I don't know about this one, because I have not had this one. Whoa, more than I was wanting, but that's alright. I got a yellow and pink one, which are swirly. Let's see if I can get a few of the colors out and show you. So we got a green and orange one, a purple and blue one, and then there's also marshmallow pieces in there that are swirly designed. So I'm going to try one of each kind. They taste like regular Trix. And like I said, these are Trix Twirl Trix Twirl World Tour marshmallows. So now let me try this with some milk. Let's see if it tastes any different with milk. It tastes like Trix. The next one is Hershey Kisses. So I'm just going to take a handful of these. I don't want to just pour these out. So they look like little kisses. They remind me of Cocoa Puffs. I definitely can taste the Hershey's chocolate in it. a little bit more now that it's wet. It's not bad if I was craving chocolate cereal. I wouldn't mind grabbing that for a bowl. So there's that one out of the way. Now, we're going to go for the vanilla sugar cane candy cane cookies. With marshmallows, but I ain't seeing marshmallows. I grabbed a handful, but I don't see any marshmallows. Okay, there's little marshmallow pieces in here, but I ain't getting on. And there's the little marshmallow piece. Okay, that's where the peppermint is in the marshmallows. The cereal just tastes like a plain cereal. I'm trying to get a few more marshmallows out. Okay, for when I try this wet. See if that helps with flavoring here. Because the peppermint is all in the marshmallows. The cereal just tastes like sugary cereal. Okay. I mean, you can taste the peppermint. This is not that good. What is this supposed to be called again? Vanilla candy cane cookie with marshmallow. If they're gonna say that, they should make it where the candy cane's throughout the cereal, not just in the marshmallows. The candy canes is not in the cereal flavored wise to me. This was a flop cereal. I don't mind the tricks. I don't mind the chocolate one, but that one was a flop. And now we're on to Up on a Shelf sugar cookie cereal with marshmallows. So, let me get a handful of these. And they're red and green, so I'll try one green. Okay, I get sugar cookie from these. These, I taste the sugar cookie. The marshmallows just taste like marshmallows. They're little itty bitty things. That's probably where they're all at the bottom. They don't really have that many marshmallows in it. And they are towards the bottom when you do find them. So, we'll give this a try with milk now. I really like this one. It's pleasant. It's peaceful. It's sweet. I could see giving that one to a kid. That was good. Let's get the Harbonies out of the way. I'm going to get one of each flavor. I'm going to try the cherry first because I'm not a big fan of cherry. These are tough. I mean, if you want a piece of candy your kids can chew on for days on end, these would work. The cherry just tasted like cherry. A little artificially, but it wasn't bad. I love the apple ones. They're hard to chew though. But other than hard to chew, they're not bad other than they're hard. Like, literally hard to chew. I got the sugar plum one left. I don't know much about plum, but that don't taste good. Does it get better? I didn't like that one. Let's do the gingerbread cookies next. And this is what they look like. There's like little red flakes inside of it. Those are good. Definitely taste gingerbread in them. Next, I'm going to do the sugar cookie M&Ms. Okay, there is like a crisp in the middle, and then white chocolate, but all I taste is literally the white chocolate. I like white chocolate, so it's not bad. I don't taste sugar cookie, I taste white chocolate, which ain't bad to me. I like it. The fact that it has a crunch and it does taste like white chocolate. But don't taste like a sugar cookie. Not giving it too much credit if I said it tastes like a sugar cookie. Now we're on to these Hershey's Kisses sugar cookie. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so as you can see, there's green and red little dots inside this. It's not bad, but I don't taste sugar cookie. I taste cookie and cream is what that reminds me of, not sugar cookie. But it's got that white chocolate that they put in like the cookies and cream with like a cookie crunch to it. I don't taste sugar cookie. They're not bad. I'd buy them. But they're not what they say they are. With that being said, that's all the snacks I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I put videos up. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye, guys.